Choosing components is a very important part of the work you need to put into small scale manufacturing and open source hardware and software. Choosing components, these are the things that go into your devices. And one of the most important things to keep in mind is COTS, commercial off-the-shelf parts. Wherever possible, start with COTS. This relay board I could have custom designed, but there is no way I would be able to do it as inexpensively as I could purchase it. This wireless board, same thing, is a very common ESP8266. There are millions, probably billions made. Right off the shelf, I have Wi-Fi. And there are open source solutions. This is a cutie pie from Adafruit. This is an open source device. But again, I don't make this. I purchase it because this part costs $8. And there is no way they'd be able to reproduce that at that amount. And it saves me a heck of a lot of time. I don't have to build and wire and solder relays. Think of it more of you are combining components. So for example, on the joystick, it's got the cutie pie there. It has a board that I get from Adafruit. It has a joystick I get and I solder, and fasteners, which I get from Amazon of all places. And that brings up an important point, is repeatability. It's important that your open source devices are repeatable. People can do it. They could either purchase it from me or they could choose to make their own or spin their own. But it's really, really hard to do if you require custom boards or strange chips or require purchasing from an electronics supplier. If you could design a device that can be put together with parts available on Amazon, which I consider the Radio Shack of the 21st century, that's great, because then anybody could hop on Amazon throughout the world. They could choose the parts, they could order this, order that, order some wire, order some tools, and they could make it.